Good morning. Have you ever thought about what become children who grow up in orphanage or social care? You wonder sometimes. What are they doing to for the society? Are they working in order to make sure that the other children are becoming successful in their life? If so, then you are very lucky because you found one in front of you today, me. This is my story. My name is Leonie Denji. I am a woman and children advocate. Right now, I am doing a master's degree in childhood studies at Swansea University while completing a PhD in Black feminism. I am the president founder of an NGO named Kids House, which works for disadvantaged children education and development. I have also developed some projects related to women and young people empowerment. Since 2016, when I created Kids House, I have been able to touch more than 10,000 lives directly and indirectly across my country. And my best achievement remains the construction of 3 libraries and social centers in my country. During my experience as social worker and humanitarian, I faced different issues. I came across different issues. I met a lot of people, and the story that I'm going to tell you is what changed my perspective while working in non-profit organization. I met Akali during a sensitization campaign in rural area. While I was singing with the other children, Akali was silent. I asked him, "Why are you not singing with me?" And then he told me, "I don't know the song that you are singing because I don't go to school. I really want to sing like you, but my father asked me to wait till next year so that he will be able to pay for my school fees." I was very sad because I knew from my experience that next year will never happen for Akali. Like him, I met a lot of children across Ivory Coast, in the north, in the south. I mean, in all the different places where my organization has worked. And today, I realize we all agree that not all children will go to university like me, and it's not the only way to be successful in life. So, I think we should rethink education in disadvantaged area and bring a more realistic approach. According to Eman Mainer, if we are as organization and association, we are not able to make the children we are caring for independent, then we failed our mission. So I designed the project of the building of a vocational training center in order to give more skills to children. At the end of the training in the center, children will be able to read, to write, and master a specific job like breeding, agriculture, cooking, pastry, and many others. They will gain skills, other skills in communication, in team management, in team project, in the use of digital media so that they will be able to start their own business or be employee. For the sustainability of this project, we are planning to open the center 50% to advantaged children and 50 other percent to disadvantaged children. The advantaged children fees will help to sustain the project, adding to the project of the center, like the vegetables, the meat, that the tube that we are going to produce in the center. Also, some steps have been implemented in order to realize the project, like buying the land, making some partnership with local leaders, with local entrepreneurs, and also starting the fundraising process. Today, if you think that development need to be an inclusive one, we need to give access to the other children, to the disadvantaged children, to take part in the process of development. Follow me in this adventure. Follow me in this exciting adventure, because you know now what an orphan who grew up in orphanage is doing for little brothers and sisters to make them agent of change. Thank you for listening to me and follow me in this adventure.